Alright, let's walk Lower Main. From here to PCH, newest Socially Classic member. He won't be at Donuts this morning. 58 Skyliner, 61 Bubble Top. No donut derelicts for him either. Yeah, we got Volkswagens, 70 SS 396s. Wait till it gets light and these hot rods glisten. That's a 454, excuse me. Called that a 396, but 454. Another bubble top. Hubcaps, wide whites. Check it out up here. Try 5 Chevy wagons. 110, 210s, 56, 55. We got that bubble top. Let's see what else we got here. So another bubble top. We got a bus, or a Volkswagen with a single cab. 57 Bel Air. So I got about a 58 Ford 9 passenger. Maybe a 60 or 59 rather. A nice bus. Look at this Nova here, huh? Right in front of Perks. Perks is all dark. Look how angry that is. Corvette. A Cougar, Eliminator. Corvette. Wow. That's cool. 37. Beautiful. This is nice. Look at this. Candy apple. That's very nice. Woody. Oh, look at that. That'll be John. Nova. First generation Nova drop top. Crew cab Volkswagen. Woody official car of Hunting the Beach. How about that? Looking good. Roadster. How cool is that Woody, huh? Woody with a trailer. Couple 67 Super Sport Chevelles. Of course, we know this one very well. John's. It always gets that front post right there, huh? Isn't that cool? Of course, this is famous intersection PCH, Main Street, Huntington Beach, California. Take a walk across. Look who we got here. Got Dan and Connie parking their bus. Longboards rule. Man, they got the perfect spot. Yeah. Let's see what else we got here. A couple Woodies. Who's that? Is that Mike?
Of course it is.
It's Mickey Rat.
What's up, buddy?
What's going on, Mike? How you be?
Good, man.
What's going on? Good seeing you.
Good seeing you.
What do you got down here?
Got my cars. I'm just gonna go uncover them right now.
Okay, both cars?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, right on the other side right here.
All right, we'll be by there in a bit. That'd be Mickey Rat, Mike Esther. There's Dan and Connie. Longboards rule. Hey, Dan. Yeah, well, and you guys got up early to be down here. This early.
Oh, God.
Yeah. There's Connie. Good morning. Boy, you guys got up awful early to make it down. How are you?
You look nice.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, ooh, it's a little chilly, huh?
Where's Tammy?
Yeah, get her up this early and go all the way down here. She'd have to be up at 2 o'clock. Later. She'll be down later. You see cars are arriving here on the plaza, getting uncovered, getting ready for a beautiful sunny day here in Southern California. It's Beachcruisers, HB Beachcruisers. That's the 19th annual beach cruiser function. And B-Dub represents. Look at that, huh? That's nice, huh? White over baby blue. Lifeguards coming in duty. And that's what a quiet pier looks like this hour of the morning. Again, right before 6 o'clock, Saturday. There we go. HB's finest. The plaza is quiet. The ocean's out there. Trust me. Setting up. Let's go check out, see what else we got here. Look at no jacket, shorts. There we got Dan and Connie's longboards rule. These must have been here overnight on the plaza. We'll have to see them later uncovered. But they're still sleeping. And arriving in a simulated Woody Ford LTD. Longboards in the back. Look at that, huh? 40 Ford. Yeah. Whole share. How about that? Fire Woody, how about that? One out of the three is a different year. Can you tell me which? Here's Ken Stanton. He's got his 54 panel. Ken, you need to straighten out your wheels. Yeah, look at this 5.7. How pretty is that? Wide whites. Got a longboard in the back. Another Woody and a Mini. A wooden Mini. Wow. It's a wooden Mini. Number 66. Well, it'll let anybody in this joint. Look at that. This all will be filled with cars. For now, it's just getting filled up. Look at that. How rare is that? Very rare. Alright. Let's soldier down. Look how miniature the Mini is compared to Ford Woody right there. Wow. So there you have it. That's what's happening. Not even daylight yet. Pier Plaza, Huntington Beach, downtown. It's HB Beachcruisers. It's the 19th annual meet on Dano Vision. We're out. This Pontiac. cool is that? Got the wide whites on it. Yeah, that's very nice. We got a Woolies back here. Woolies with flames. That's nice. Belt wagon, simulated wood panels. Yeah. Aha, someone didn't make it out in time. Somebody stayed late, went home with somebody else. A night out, Friday night at the bar, and they're getting towed. Hey, hey, hey. Morning. Yeah. 63 fuel injected. Ford Fairlane. What's going on? Early morning, about 6:30 now. HP Beachcruisers. Pretty cool, huh? I'd say. Look at that, huh? Chevelle Malibu SS. Hey, who's that guy? Wow, he must have bought a lot of quarters. Pete, where's your coat? You're gonna get sick. Look at you. Look at him. He's got sandals on. No sleeves on that shirt. Oh boy. There we have it. Let's head it back on up. That's where we started. I believe that's Russell's. Sugar Shack. People already hitting their breakfast. And where we started, right in the center of town. Right where I stand and cover cruise night. Right here. The 200 block. Dano Live, Dano Vision, HB Car Culture, Surf City, USA. Here we got Most Wanted in front of the post office. Loan. Hi there. Since our first pass through, we've had cars populate the upper part of Main Street, all of the orange. Let's check it out. Like that, huh? 60 Bel Air or Biscayne wagon. Gene's got his 32. Hey Chris, what's going on with the HB Beachcruisers this early in the morning?
Crazy early, but we're good now.
Crazy early, but you're good now?
Yeah, great weather. Come on down, people.
Everything falling into place?
So far, so good.
So far, so good. No rain in the forecast?
None at all.
Sunshine, warmth?
Sun, mid-60s. Just a good day.
Yeah.
Maybe a little cool, but hey.
We'll be down all day. And the awards will be about what time?
2 o'clock on Pier Plaza.
2 o'clock, Pier Plaza. All right, that's Chris Young. I'm Dano Live, and he's got this thing organized. There's 23T Lee getting all set up. He's got a prime spot right there. How'd he get luck out, huh? And we got the 442, 67. Good morning.
How you doing?
We got the Corvette. There'll be a few more coming down here. We got more spaces for them. Of course, it's right in front of Rockin' Fig. Surf Slime. Whoa, who's that? That's Marilyn. Check out Marilyn, huh?
I'm an early bird today.
Yeah, she's got Birdie out. Wow. Cool. Got a couple surfboards. She's going to join the Jack's Pro Surf Contest. She's going to throw them boards in the water and going to say, watch out. You better judge me, because I'm going to whoop all you. E-ticket 4H. So there you have it. Early in the morning. As I said, about 6:30. Dano Live, Dano Vision. That, huh? Crew cab. $59. Look at them cat eyes.